Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a GIF into your Shopify product page. So let's jump in. We're going to go over to the left hand side and we're going to tap on products, and we are going to select the product that we would like to actually add this GIF to. So in the description area, you're going to go ahead and you're going to click down, and what we're looking for here is over on the right hand side, we are going to tap on the show HTML. Right, so once we've tapped on that, we're going to just make sure that we are creating a new line here. And if you have a full description, this may look a little bit more complicated than what mine does. We're going to go over to a website called Giphy.com, and with Giphy.com you can go ahead and upload, create, or search a GIF. Alright, so we're going to just go ahead and look for t-shirt, for example, and we're going to go down here and we can just grab one of these t-shirts. Alright, so let's go ahead and use this one over here. So we're going to tap on the actual GIF. Now once it loads, you can go over to the right hand side and tap on embed. Once you tap on this, you will be able to have an embed code. What you want to do is tap on copy code, and here it'll say link copied. What you want to do next is go back to the product area, and right over here where we created that new line, we're going to go ahead and we're going to paste that code. We're going to tap on the show editor again, and once you do that, you will see that this has now been embedded into our description. What we can do now is over on the right hand side, tap on save. Your product will be saved, and this will now show up on your product page when you open your Shopify store. Now, if you want to know more about Shopify, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of awesome content to help you learn and to help you grow. We'll see you over there. Cheers.